Everyone, what's up? Kumusta ang lahat? I am Daniel. I'm a nurse photographer, literal na wedding photographer back in the Philippines and nurse dito sa Amerika. I worked in a skilled nursing facility and malapit na ako mag-isang taon. Ang bilis ng panahon. So, dito sa experience ko sa mag-iisang taon ako, I'm going to share with you guys the good, the bad, the ugly sa skilled nursing facility. Nagtitrain din ako minsan ng mga bagong nurses doon, bagong hires. Maganda rin i-share yun sa inyo. Regarding the pay, well, hindi ko sasabihin yung saktong pay, pero bigyan ko kayo na idea. Also about budgeting, which is I think very important kasi dito sa Amerika, basta good credit ka, you guys are gonna have a easy or basta madali bilhin yung mga gamit dito, yung mga material na bagay. So, yun. Also, I'm gonna share with you siguro yung mga monthly budget namin. Kasi I think that's very important. Dapat nag-set tayo ng boundaries. Kasi if not, man, you're gonna have a hard time in the long run, no? Lalo na pag papalit-palit ka ng mga bagay na hindi naman kailangan. 'Di ba? So, if you are a nurse and planning on migrating here in America, also going to work sa skilled nursing facility, please support my channel. You're gonna love my content, no? The production will not be as good as before kasi medyo nasira yung mga gamit ko, pero papalitan ko sila soon. Please support my channel by subscribing, and if you have any questions, please list it down sa comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.